Guys, I've got something exciting for you. Olymptrade, one of the biggest trading platforms out there, is officially turning 11 years old. Now, you might be thinking, cool, but what's in it for me? Here's the answer. They're celebrating this anniversary in style with the Level 11 tournament. We're talking $111,111 total prize pool, a 111% deposit bonus for every single participant, and a 7-day global tournament with 7 different leagues, so you're not competing against the entire world but against people at your level. In this video, I'm going to break everything down: how the tournament works, why the prize structure is actually genius, the strategies I'd use to climb the leagues, and I'll even jump into the platform to show you exactly what it looks like. So let's rewind for a second. Here's how the tournament is set up. Dates September 29th to October 5th, exactly 7 days. Leagues. There are 7 leagues total. When you join, Olymptrade sorts you into a league based on your past trading turnover or deposit history. So if you're new, you won't get thrown against pros. If you're experienced, you'll be matched with people closer to your level. Fair, right? Prizes. Every league has 11 prize spots. That's not just one winner per league, but 11. Multiply that across 7 leagues and you get 77 winners in total. The beauty here is you don't need to be the absolute best in the world. You just need to play smart, stay consistent, and rank well in your league. Now let's talk numbers. The total prize pool is a massive $111,111. That's spread across all the leagues, so there's serious money on the line no matter what level you're in. But here's the crazy part. Even if you don't land in the top 11 of your league, you're still winning something. Why? Because Olymptrade is giving everyone who joins a 111% deposit bonus. So let's say you deposit $50. Boom, that instantly turns into $105 to trade with. Deposit $100, you're trading with $211. That's extra fuel to power your strategy during the tournament. Alright, let's get practical. How would I approach this? 1. Grab the bonus early. I wouldn't wait. Day 1, I take the 111% deposit boost so I have the maximum balance to work with from the start. 2. Use AI insights. Olymptrade has these built-in AI signals that help spot trading opportunities. In a tournament where every trade matters, that kind of edge is huge. 3. Play the long game. Too many traders go all in trying to get a quick win, and then they blow up their account. My move would be steady, consistent trades across the 7 days. It's not about one lucky shot, it's about stacking points and finishing strong. Now, during the tournament week, it's all about consistency. The traders who do well aren't the ones chasing one lucky move, it's the ones who stay disciplined every single day. And honestly, that's what makes this whole event exciting. You're not just trading alone like usual, you're part of something bigger. Thousands of traders worldwide, all competing at the same time, all climbing their leagues, all trying to lock in those top spots. For me, that's the energy boost. You feel like you're not just pressing buttons on a chart, you're in a competition, you're chasing rewards, and you've got that extra motivation to bring your A game. So here's why you should care. It's fair. You only compete against traders at your own level. It's rewarding. 77 winners in total, plus the massive prize pool. And it's guaranteed because that 111% bonus means literally everyone walks away with more than they started with. This isn't just another random promo, it's Olymptrade's way of saying thank you for being part of their 11-year journey. So here's the recap. Dates September 29th, October 5th. 7 leagues x 11 prizes each. Drawer 77 winners. Total prize pool $111,000, 111, 111% deposit bonus for everyone. This is the Level 11 tournament, the biggest anniversary event Olymptrade has ever done. I'll drop my link below so you can join, grab your bonus, and lock in your spot. That's the full package. Whether you're just starting your trading journey or you've been at it for years, there's a lane for you to compete, improve, and maybe even walk away with part of that 6-figure prize pool. But here's the key. This is a limited time anniversary event. Once the 7 days are over, that's it. The bonus disappears, the tournament ends, and you'll have to wait for who knows how long before something like this happens again. So don't wait until the last minute. Secure your bonus early, get into your league, and give yourself the best chance to climb the ranks. I'll leave my link in the description and pinned comment. Use it to join the tournament, claim your 111% deposit boost, and lock in your spot before the kickoff. This is Olymptrade's way of celebrating 11 years with us traders. And now it's your turn to celebrate by leveling up. The countdown is on. Are you ready to step into level 11?